Tonight is going to be massive for me.
It's not a feeling.
I'm going to have a few mini panic attacks.
It is a state of mind.
Hi, I'm Mha Iri. I'm a techno producer and DJ from Scotland, but I live in Melbourne. Everyone has something that they want to do in this life, and for me it's making music. Creating and making music is a part of who I am. And it takes up so much of my time that I wouldn't actually know what to do with myself otherwise. It gives my life a purpose. I think the biggest challenge is just getting your name in amongst the people that matter. And so there is a bit of a circle where you're trying to build the name, but no one will give you a chance because you don't have the name. But the reality is that you do have to bother them. Start going to those clubs and talking to people and making connections and keep going back, keep bothering those people every week if you have to until they give you a chance. Because I tell you what, they will eventually, just to get you to shut up. When it comes to making music and finishing tracks, don't question whether or not you're actually cut out to be a producer, because it is such a complex dynamic, you know, making music, feeling creative, worrying that you're not achieving the success that you desire fast enough, that you're not improving fast enough. And I think a lot of that comes down to comparison. So you tend to compare yourself to other people who are at the top of the field. You'll look at your song and you'll listen to it and you'll listen to their song and you'll think, oh, how did they manage to do that? And my sounds aren't unique enough, or this synth isn't big enough. And it's just this worry that you're not quite doing it all quick enough and you're not good enough. Being part of a community, being part of Finish More Music, it just reminds you that you're all in this together, and having that support it's so invaluable, because when you are feeling isolated and you can't reach out to others, that's when you're more likely to just completely give up and not open your door again because you just can't face it anymore. You know, the great thing about Finish More Music is that you also have the monthly members event where you're able to actually submit a track that you've been working on and you can get feedback on it. You're able to see things that you might not be doing quite right, like different mixing things and, you know, technical things that you could change that would make the song better. A really supportive group of people who all want genuinely the best for each other, and that's amazing to be a part of that. When it comes to making music and finishing tracks, don't worry if it takes you ages to get one done. The point is that you show it up every day and you're working towards the goal of getting it done. You're not going to be able to bash out an amazing track in 3 days when you're first starting. It's just not possible. And maybe you'll never be able to do that. And that's okay. Some people are slower, some people are faster. Just don't compare yourself to others and just keep smashing it, keep going back every day and truly enjoying making music. Stopping that inner voice, the little devil on your shoulder that's constantly telling you have to do this, you have to do that. Just remembering that this is your journey, it's your individual journey, and just to keep going on that journey and just keep working towards your goals. It doesn't matter if it takes 5 minutes or 5 years, the point is that you're working towards them, and that's okay. I mean, we've got a decent amount of time on this earth. We don't have to do it all in 5 minutes. So the goal now is just keep playing at large-scale events and just make a full career in this business. For me, when I get up on stage and I play music to people and I feel the energy and the connection and I'm able to see them dancing to my songs and enjoying my songs and feeling the way that I feel, that euphoric energy, there's not really anything that can compare to it. And I usually have to tell everyone around me, I'm like, that's me, that's mine. And they're just like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? I'm like, I made that. And they're like, what? I'm like, yeah. So I get really excited.